Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to install Visual Studio on Windows. To install the latest version of Visual Studio, go to a browser and type Visual Studio download. Click on the first link. So here you can see there are different editions of Visual Studio, Community and other paid versions. So you need to download the Community edition, which is free. So click on free download under Community. So the exe is downloaded. Now click on the folder where the exe is downloaded. Okay, so this opens the exe in the Windows Explorer. So double click on the exe to install it. Give yes to the security prompt. And then you'll get this prompt. Click on continue. The installer is getting downloaded and installed. Let's wait for it. So now this brings up the workload page. Here you can select the workload. So you can select the options here based on what programming language you'll be working on, what type of application you'll be working on. So let me check the ASP.NET web development. So this will provide the libraries to develop a web application on ASP.NET. I'll also check the box for Python development, Node.js web development. If you'll be working on Azure Cloud, you can check this box. For developing desktop applications, I'll click on .NET Desktop Development. This will provide the libraries to build desktop applications. You can check the box for gaming. So rest I'll leave it as it is. The total space required for this installation is around 8 GB. So once we select all the workloads, we can click on install. You can keep the individual components as it is. Language packs, if you'll be working on any other language, you can select from here. So I'll leave it as it is, and the installation location you can change if required. Okay, so let me click on install. Okay, so the download and installation of Visual Studio Community Edition has been started now. So let's wait for the installation to complete. So now the installations are complete. So once it is complete, you'll get this screen and it will say that installations are up to date. So now we need to launch it. So to open Visual Studio the first time, you can click on launch. Here click on skip and add account later. We can add it later. You can keep the default settings and for development settings. For theme, you can change it from light or dark. So I'll keep it dark and click on Start Visual Studio. Click on Continue without code. So this opens up the Visual Studio. So these are the steps we need to follow to download and install Visual Studio on Windows. I have also prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in the video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.